Hello zusammen. I just thought I'd do a little bit of a visual of the information that I put on Google Classroom yesterday in terms of the derived grades. So the derived grades, sorry, the derived grades is what the government is calling unforeseen circumstances grades. And basically anyone in Auckland can use the derived grades for their NCA qualification. So basically what I will be doing is taking a combination of your best scores from what you do over the next couple of weeks, well, the rest of this week and next week, and the CAT tests that we did earlier on in the year. So what we're doing tomorrow, Friday the 29th of October, on Education Perfect, you are going to do one reading text, okay? And you may do it at any time, but it must be done in one sitting. So in other words, once you start, you can't pause it or go off anywhere. Have a cup of tea or whatever, because basically it's for verification. Okay, so I need to know that you're not cheating. I know you wouldn't cheat. What I mean is I have to have the proof of that. Okay, so tomorrow, one reading text. Okay, on Tuesday of next week, there'll be two more reading texts. Okay. Again, you need to do it in one session, all right? On Friday of next week, we'll be doing two listening texts. I didn't write that down, okay? So, two listening. Now, the reason I'm not doing three is because, like I said, I'm going to be taking a combination of what you did in your CATs and what you're doing in these here, so I get a kind of overview, all right? So, when I say you may do it at any time, if you're going to come into school and you're here for the session, then you'll do it within that session. All right. However, if you feel, I'm really not prepared, I need some more time working on vocabulary, then you can use the session in school to work on vocabulary, and then you can do the rest at home. You can do the exam at home. All right. But you need to give yourself that period of time. So you've got a start time and a finish time. All right. I think that's about it, apart from the listening. Next Friday. So again, if you come into school and you do it within the session, then you've got the 2 hours to do that. If you decide that you're going to do it later, either later in the day or on Saturday, you may do that, but I need you to have done it by midnight on Saturday. Okay. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. What I don't want you to do is be panicking. Okay, so don't worry about it. Remember, I will be taking the best scores. Okay? All right. Tschüss, bis morgen.